All right, we've got a minor bounce in natural gas today, Monday. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. And you can see that last week closed very weak at the low of the day, the low of the week we closed last week. We got a little bit of a bounce today above yesterday's Friday's high, but it was not held. So the main thing here is that we remain in a clear downtrend. We closed very weak last week. If we step back for a second and look at the weekly chart, you can see how we have a bearish shooting star candlestick on the weekly, and it closed below the prior week's low. This is all very bearish, which continues to keep the door open for a test of lower prices. So maybe we have a bit more of a bounce first, but as it stands right now, it looks like natural gas is going to test lower prices starting around this high right here at 194. And down to 192, which is a 78.6% Fibonacci retracement. There's then another lower zone over here that is discussed in today's article. So that means that any kind of bounces, we expect to see resistance. So far, we're barely getting a bounce. So we may not even get a bounce before we see resistance, but that is what we're keeping an eye on. Keep in mind that last week's high is up here at 2.27. So on a weekly basis, there's no bullish reversal until natural gas exceeds the 227 high. But the first resistance on a trend basis is going to be this downtrend line along with the 20 moving average at 223, the purple line, which is where it is currently. Okay, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.